Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Speak Smart with Confidence. I'm Ananya.
And I'm Rahul. Thanks for joining us. Today we're talking about something that almost everyone struggles with at some point: how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Yes, whether it's talking to a new friend, giving a presentation, meeting someone at a party, or even chatting in English, confidence is the secret key.
Exactly. So in this episode, we'll share practical tips, real-life examples, and some English conversation practice to help you sound more fluent and confident when you talk to anyone.
And of course, we'll do it through natural conversation, so you can listen, learn, and even repeat after us to practice your spoken English.
Okay, let's start simple. What does confidence really mean to you, Ananya?
For me, confidence means being comfortable with who you are. It's not about being perfect, it's about being real, calm, and positive when you speak.
That's so true. People often think confidence means never feeling nervous. But actually, even confident people feel nervous sometimes.
Right. The difference is, they don't let nervousness control them. They focus on the message, not the fear.
Exactly. I remember the first time I spoke English in front of my class. My hands were shaking, my voice was trembling. But I told myself, Rahul, just breathe, smile, and say it anyway.
Haha, I had a similar experience. When I was in college, I had to introduce myself in English in front of 50 people. I thought I'd forget everything. But then I smiled, took a pause, and said, "Hi everyone, I'm Ananya, and yes, I'm nervous, but I'll try my best." And everyone laughed in a friendly way. The tension disappeared.
That's a great example. Sometimes being honest actually makes people like you more. You don't have to act like a robot.
Let's talk about why people feel nervous when speaking, especially in English.
Good point. I think it's because people worry too much about mistakes.
Yes, they think, what if my grammar is wrong? Or, what if people laugh at me? But honestly, most people don't care.
Exactly. When you talk to someone, they're not judging every word you say. They care about your energy, your smile, and your message.
Absolutely. It's okay to make mistakes. English is just a language, not a test. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Beautifully said. So next time you feel shy, remind yourself, I'm here to connect, not to impress.
Now, let's talk about body language. Because how you say something matters as much as what you say.
Now, let's talk about body language. Because how you say something matters as much as what you say.
Exactly. But if you say the same line, "Hi, nice to meet you," with a smile, open posture, and confident tone, it sounds warm and friendly.
Right. Body language adds power to your words. Even if your English isn't perfect, good body language makes you appear confident.
Let's do a mini practice. Everyone listening, repeat after us, but imagine you're talking to someone new.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Wow, that's interesting.
Good. Practice these small lines daily with energy and expression, and you'll automatically feel more confident.
Ananya, I think one of the biggest mindset shifts is, don't talk to people to prove yourself. Talk to connect.
Yes, confidence doesn't come from thinking, "I'm better." It comes from thinking, "I'm comfortable."
Exactly. Here's a line I love. Be interested, not interesting. When you genuinely listen to others, you naturally become more confident.
That's so true. Because when we listen well, we understand better, and then we reply naturally. It reduces the pressure of, "What should I say next?"
Right. Let's do a quick example. Imagine this conversation.
Hey Rahul, what do you like to do on weekends?
I love watching football and sometimes going for a walk. What about you?
I like listening to music and trying new food places. Have you tried Korean food?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yes, you should try it sometime. The flavors are amazing.
I will. Thanks for the suggestion. See? Simple, natural, friendly. That's confident English, not perfect grammar, but positive energy.
Yes, confidence is not in big words, it's in comfortable conversations.
Okay, Ananya, many people say, I don't know how to start a conversation. Let's help them with that.
Great idea. The secret is, start small. That's why it's called small talk.
Haha, true. You can talk about anything simple: weather, hobbies, work, movies, or even compliments.
For example, if you meet someone new, you can say, "Hi, I really like your jacket. Where did you get it?" Or, "Hey, I've seen you around. Do you work here too?"
Exactly. And if you're online or in a class, you can say, "Hi, what did you think about today's session?" Or, "Wasn't that presentation great?"
The goal is to break the silence. Once the conversation starts, confidence follows.
Yes. Silence feels scary only in the beginning. Once you say the first line, you're in control.
So Rahul, how would you summarize today's topic? How to talk to anyone with confidence?
I'd say, be natural, stay positive, and practice speaking daily. Confidence comes from action, not waiting.
Perfectly said. So to everyone listening, start small, smile big, and speak with heart.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect to be confident. You just need to be present and genuine.
That's beautiful. Thanks for listening, everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to practice the lines we shared and keep speaking English every day.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then,
Keep speaking, keep shining, and stay confident.